Huh?
Number 2.
Baby number 2.
Baby number 2.
Baby number 2.
It do what it do.
It do what it do.
Box packet with the crew.
Oh, right, period, you.
Hey. Okay.
It's that Reborn Baby going home today. Being packed by Nisha anyway. Hey, she said I'ma dance with my Nisha before I go. Reborn Baby Doll. It's the TT and Nisha show. Hey, get it. Bye, Nuke. Bye, Nuke. I like them boxes.
I like these legs.
Put a piece of bubble wrap on her feet so it's not touching the cardboard. You like the legs on them? Yeah, cause they are foldable. It's that Reborn Baby. Sorry about the fan, y'all, cause it is hot down here. It's like, I wish there was a way to tune the fan out, but I don't know how. I will have to turn it off. No, I'm saying it's a way to like take the fan noise out where you still have your voice noise. Oh, Timber!
I'm ready.
And what do we got going in the box?
Some little sneakers.
Hey, period. I don't know if she could fit them, but I thought I'd send them with her anyway. She's got
Anything with a sticker on it.
several babies from me.
A birth certificate, instruction care kit,
Okay.
a green thing with sticker on it,
Uh-huh.
a green thing with sticker on it, a green thing with sticker on it.
I gotta get some more wrapping paper. I gotta get some more wrapping paper.
If you want a baby, you can just go to babykidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my
If you
Instagram.
want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got one.
Why do you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
why you always
Deduct.
Dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
Oh, you
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want
$20. You
$20.
know $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address in the password. and
No,
text
you
like,
can look and see when I sign up.
I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna keep my little $20. I'm gonna get me some Wendy's.
Good,
And I'm gonna make sure they put.
Why?
the
Because
sauce
you know
in
your
it.
mother don't lie?
No, but you don't lie.
No.
You Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
You don't lie.
No. What I lie about?
I ain't going.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Do yes.
All right, my woo babies, my woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later on the next video.